I'm glad you're here. In today's video, we are going to be unboxing one of my orders. Yes, I actually placed about 3 to 4 orders on Temu. 3 orders for myself, and recently I placed an order for a baby that is turning 1 year old. So one of my orders have arrived and I'm still waiting for 3 more orders. Let's unbox this. I just came back from work a few minutes ago, so when I decided to rest, only for me to get a text message on my phone, then when I opened it, it turned out to be this. Yes, so I have to call the number on the message. Let me tell them that I'm around, you should deliver it. And I'm so excited. This particular order, let's say it's nearly to my door. I went to the bus stop to get it, but the other orders that I've been receiving, I literally walked to the shipping company to go and get it, and it's stressful. This one, they actually delivered it to DIT. Thank you so much, guys. I really love your services. So let's unbox this. See, I'm going to hold it. I will use my hand to see it. I don't even need knife. Woo! See it. I've opened it. I think there should be 4 to 5 items here. I can't even remember. So let's start from this. I ordered clothes from Temu, and you know, when I was ordering, I actually ordered extra large and large. It's just one set of clothes that I ordered medium, which is my size. And why I ordered medium is because that cloth is elastic, it's stretchy. So for this one, you might ask me, what do you want to order large and extra large? Actually, I did it because large clothes, extra large clothes can be mended. Yes, I can actually ship it to my size, but if it's smaller than me, it's waste of money, and I don't want to waste my resources. I'm still a student, I'm managing myself. Wow, I really love how it looks. It doesn't look rumpled, it look put together. Yeah. Thank God I ordered extra large. Thank God. See it. Which size is this one? Okay, extra large. You can see it. Thank God. I'll be putting a video of me wearing them, maybe in form of a reel. Yes, I'll be making another video. Thank you. I hope I'll love the remaining ones. Where's one of my orders? Hold on. Okay, everything is here. Everything is here. And this one, what's a wardrobe without a wide long sleeve shirt? Wow, here's it. This is how it looks like. Let's unbox it here. Oh my goodness, I love this. I love the texture. I love how it looks like. So this is large. Yes, you see it. And thank God I ordered a large size. See it. If I've ordered medium, it might not even enter me. See it. I love this. And I don't like clothes that are too tight, except their bodycon. I'm building a wardrobe gradually because of my IT. Yes, by God's grace, I'll be going for my IT very soon, and I'm trying to. There's it. I'll be linking the pictures and the videos. There's it. I love rings. I think there are a set of 6 rings, and I also read reviews. This one. 2, right? This is 4, and this is 5. This is 6. You see, I love rings. This is everything. I don't like red. Maybe we'll start trying them out. Here, this a little bit rumpled. The texture is okay. The quality of the cloth is okay. So this set of 3 in 1. So this medium size, you see how medium looks like. But why I ordered this is because they are elastic. I said it initially. See the next one, black. Woo! This cloth looks like baby wear. This is not that elastic thing. My money shouldn't go in vain, and I like black. So Yeah, and then God, I beg. Oh wow, this stretchy. Why is the black like that? So this, I wish that black is a color like dark brown or even brown or caramel. It could have made sense. That was what I was thinking, but they don't have it. And then the last thing, see, everything is finished. The last thing is this. Let's check. This another product now. You guys should help me judge. Look at the picture. Let's say I go send them back. Oh. See it. It's a handbag. The quality is okay. Yeah. Well, this is not what I. Okay, it's 2 in 1. Okay. This is this thing, the crossbar hand. You've seen it. And then this, you can attach it to. Later, I'll style it. I beg. It smells nice. See, this is how it looks like. So this is how the bag looks like without anything inside. The packaging is okay, but the bag is too small. I want to carry this bag. Nah, shopping for my IT, they do so. I want to carry this bag. Anyways, it's the quality is okay. The quality is okay. Everything is okay. The bag is okay. That what do you expect me to say? The bag is okay. Thank you so much, Temu. I really do appreciate it.